Looking to reduce weight? Are you trying really hard? Then this video is for you. Today, with the fresh flowers of hibiscus, we present to you the herbal hibiscus tea. The tea has a refreshing flavor and can be enjoyed hot or iced. Pluck fresh hibiscus flowers, typically 3 to 4 for 1 cup of tea. Remove the stem and the middle portion. Here we do it with the help of a scissor. Wash the petals well so that they are spotless and good for consumption. Place a container and drop the petals in it. Pour boiling water evenly on top of the flowers. Allow this to settle for about 5 minutes. You can see that slowly the color from the petals is being absorbed by the water. Now slowly remove the petals from the mixture. Wait for the magic to happen. Squeeze half a lemon into this essence and see the mixture turn orangish red. The Sembaruthi tea or hibiscus tea for weight loss is ready to be had.